Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 9th, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. हम ग्रेविटेशन पढ़ रहे हैं. अभी तक हमने पढ़ा है यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन एंड इनवर्स स्क्वायर. यूनिवर्सल लॉ ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन में हमने ये पढ़ा दैट all objects or every particle in the universe is attracted by every other particle. Every particle attracts every other particle with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their mass and is inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. That is, F is directly proportional to m1 and m2 divided by r square. तो जो force of attraction दो bodies के बीच में होता है that depends upon their masses and then also depends upon the distance between them. और ये स्क्वायर का कंसेप्ट कहाँ से आया? It is called inverse square rule जो हमने कल डिस्कस किया. For example, when a body is moving on a circular path because planets are revolving around the sun on a circular orbit. Yeah, heavenly bodies are revolving around each other in the galaxies on the circular orbit. A body of mass m अगर is considered current moving around an heavenly body on a circular orbit of radius r and with velocity v, then the circular acceleration, इसके लिए फार्मूला है v square divided by r. The circular acceleration is given by v square divided by r. And we know that the force that makes the body to move on the circular path is called the centripetal force. And centripetal force is equal to mass into acceleration. ठीक? अगर ये body से mass m, then goes mass m हुई, acceleration का बराबर से circular acceleration v square divided by r. ठीक है ना? Good. And also कोई equation. इसी तरह जब कोई बॉडी मूव करते हैं सर्कुलर पाथ, एट दैट टाइम स्पीड इज गिवन बाय 2 पाई r डिवाइड बाय t. स्पीड का बराबर से आसान 2 पाई r डिवाइड बाय t. अगर हम ज इक्वेशंस कंबाइन करन छ वीक वैल्यू छ देमान यात में वीक वैल्यू करो सब्स्टिट्यूट इक्वेशन फर्स्ट इस बुता रातो करा थोड़ा रिपीट. इवन m इज इक्वल v बदल के लिखो 2 पाई r डिवाइड बाय t होल स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय r. ठीक? तो f इज इक्वल टू इवन m इंटू 4 पाई स्क्वायर r स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय r इंटू t स्क्वायर. ये r तो ये स्क्वायर r गस कैंसिल अत्र रोत f इज इक्वल टू m 4 पाई स्क्वायर अत्र रोत अकुई r के अक r को कैंसिल डिवाइड बाय t स्क्वायर. वैल्यू ऑफ t स्क्वायर कैन न्यूटन ने t स्क्वायर का वैल्यू कहाँ से लाया? Kepler's third law of planetary motion. Kepler's third law of planetary motion कहता है that the cube of mean distance of the planet from the sun is directly proportional to the square of this time orbital time period. That is, r cube is directly proportional to t square और t square is directly proportional to r cube. ये एक सी बात है. तो और t square is equal to k means constant r cube. अगर इसी value of t square करो substitute ये थी क्या बन? F is equal to m into 4 pi square into r divided by t square बदले देखो k r cube which r cube मगर त्रे r r छिन अब क्या होते F is equal to m 4 pi square और ऊपर कुछ कोई r नहीं रहा नीचे रह गया k r square. ये वो मुझ पूछो इस कांस्टेंट कुछ ये उन वैल्यू में चेंज है गई क्या? F is equal to m mass ये depends upon the body is body निमन moon निमन earth निमन ये भी constant रोज इसके 4 च constant pi square च constant. ठीक? and बन कन च k constant यम करो अलग ये क्या होते m divided by r square. ठीक? into goes or it can be f is directly proportional to into l करण directly proportional मस convert तेल m बदल क्या न्यू ये क्या है proportionality कैसे कि directly proportional to m square divided by r कैसे कि 4 pi square divided by k is equal to constant. I'm sorry constant. And that is how Newton got the concept of r square from this Kepler's third law of planetary motion. This is called inverse square rule. ये हमने कल डिस्कस किया है. ठीक? आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है that is acceleration due to gravity. That is acceleration due to acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by small g. ठीक, एक तो gravitational constant that is capital G, वो अलग है. This is acceleration due to gravity. What does acceleration mean? पहले ये clear करो. Acceleration means change in velocity. Change in velocity. Change in velocity is called acceleration. Change in velocity is called acceleration. एक common observation है, ये इस कहाँ चीज़ ना त्रावन यल, यूता यूता ये बोन कर वसन इमी speed चेक कर increase गसान कि decrease गसान, increase गसान. वो ये इमी speed का change, इन्हें velocity का change, तेरे वाला इस इमी motion से such accelerated motion. क्या है? आप के velocity change. Change in velocity is called acceleration. When a body is fallen from a height towards the earth, ये ची वसान बोन, मगर बोन कोन वसान ची इमिश velocity गसान change, इमिश velocity गसान increase. ये velocity इस आत increase गसान ची तेरे वाला इस यूज़ motion ची of falling body, this is accelerated motion. वो आत में जो सी acceleration आये कितना आये? सवाल ये है कि हर एक acceleration के पीछे एक force दरकार होता है. कुछ body हंस acceleration velocity गैसने तो तंग change के योतना इन्हें का force responsible आस. अगर ये वो पेन त्रावन से तो यल आधे नो बदकते कि त्रावन पाना यल मगर बोन कोन बसान चे इमेज velocity change गसान. Which causes the change in velocity in the freely falling object? या free falling objects पे किम force को दी velocity change, and the force, because force it is force of attraction of earth. It is the attractive force of earth that increases the velocity of the falling object, that accelerates the falling object. You say falling object accelerate karan, that force is the force of attraction of the earth. This acceleration caused in a free falling object due to the attraction of the earth towards the center. ये earth attract करती है इस object को towards the center. Attraction is force. Any force या objects में velocity change गसान या acceleration एवं. At acceleration you see objects में पहुँच गसान because of the earth's attraction towards the center is called acceleration due to gravity. यानी अगर किसी मनो कोई जब हम चलते होते हैं तो काश एवं दूर लाइन, इस अगर normal speed पको काश गसान तेज अचानक नहीं रह. पच्चीस में तुम्हें क्या की? सोच मना मेरे पद किम ताई दक. गो युस तमिस मन ये velocity change गई. अत reason. कुछ रीजन ये दक यम सत दक लो, ये साइकिल से लोग सा, ये गाड़ी से लोग सा, ये इंसान से लोग सा. इस मातर अमिस मज युस ये वेलोसिटी गई चेंज, ये अमिस हसा गई एक्सेलरेशन, अमिस गई वेलोसिटी चेंज गो, ये गो एक्सेलरेट, अमिस गई एक्सेलरेशन, ये एक्सेलरेशन गई अमिस ड्यू टू फोर्स ऑफ कार, फोर्स ऑफ बाइसिकल, फोर्स ऑफ मैन. इथे कन छ वना इस सेम ये पेन ये त्रावस बोन, मगर बोन वसान छ वेलोसिटी गसान चेंज. वो सवाल ये वेलोसिटी कम सत गई चेंज, ये हसा गई फोर्स से, किम फोर्स से, ये हसा गई फोर्स जमीन के फोर्स attractive forces यो जमीन अत मान attract को towards the center. तब वनान अत अम क्या गो यत में acceleration पौध गो युस यत में acceleration पौध गई जमीन के attraction से अत acceleration वनान acceleration due to gravity. यस वनान acceleration due to gravity. अब definition लिखिए. The acceleration of a body due to attraction of earth towards the center. Attraction of earth towards its center is called acceleration due to gravity. ठीक, it is denoted by small g. This acceleration caused in an object due to the attraction of earth towards the center is called acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted by small g. Now let us take this. Suppose this is earth. This is earth, and this is earth's center. An object of mass m is here. It is at an height h. ये बात अच्छे से ज़हन में रखो. What is acceleration due to gravity? It is attraction of earth towards the center. This is center of the earth. तो यहाँ से attraction होती है ना, not from the surface, it's from the center of the earth. This is radius of the earth. ठीक? Suppose if we drop a body of mass m from an height h towards the earth, mass, that the mass of the earth is capital M and the radius of the earth is capital R. Radius of the earth is capital R. अब आप बताइए मुझे, हाइट h एंड रेडियस ऑफ द अर्थ अगर इस कंपेयर करो, हम छा कंपेरेबल मीन अच्छा कंपेरिजन का गुंजाइश, यानी ये एक के मीटर गित, but the radius of the earth is 6.24 into 10 raised to power 6 meters. जहाँ तक मुझे याद है 6.24 into 10 raised to power 6 meters radius of the earth. अगर इस ऑब्जेक्ट त्राउन फ्रॉम सम हाइट से फॉर एग्जांपल 1 मीटर 2 मीटर वन से यह मीटर ये इतना मीटर मत अगर 1 मीटर कम या ज्यादा पे फर्क तीस की फोर्स में गसी तीस फर्क की वो अगर इस ये हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ ठीक, it is comparatively very small as compared to the radius of the earth and it can be neglected. अगर ये पेन पत्र हम जब पे इस गसन जमीन अच कर जमीन को अर्थ पांस को अट्रैक्ट जमीन को सेंटर पांस को अट्रैक्ट और ये फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कर पे सेंटर पे यत इस डिस्टेंस है that can be measured किस करना by measuring the radius of the earth वो radius of the earth करन is consider distance यम मीटर है को किस इग्नोर ते कर यम मीटर है को किस कंसीडर कर दे आर नेग्लिजिबल यानी ना आसनस बराबर ठीक go height of the object, let the height h is comparatively small, very small as compared to the r. Then the force, tell you see at force, force is due to the gravitational force. The force is only due to it is acceleration due to gravity. Then the acceleration in the object is only because of the acceleration due to gravity. ठीक? At that time, force is equal to mass into acceleration and F is equal to mass into yeli bun was at much acceleration is acceleration due to gravity and acceleration due to gravity is denoted by g. So at that time when an object falls from an height towards the earth, at that time the force acting on the object is equal to its mass into acceleration due to gravity, or simply it is called mg. ठीक है, वो force of an falling object towards the earth is equal to the m into a, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम a नहीं लिखते हैं because this acceleration a acceleration, but this acceleration caused due to the gravity of the earth is called acceleration due to gravity or mg, इसलिए इसे लिखते हैं mg. But use of that force act to go. What is actually this force? That is gravitational force. Use of that force act to go. This force is actually gravitational force. Which force is it? This force is actually gravitational force. You should also pull. You saw the panas kun kheencha, gravitational force. And gravitational force हमने already पढ़ा है. The gravitational force is equal to G into M, mass of earth, into mass of object divided by R square. ठीक? ऐसे कैसे कोई अगर ये करो इस कंसीडर करो r plus h square, मगर अगर इस थाओ ये comparatively very small, it is negligible. If we consider this h very small as compared to the r, this पर हम लिखेंगे f is equal to g into m into n divided by r square. अगर इस यम ज इक्वेशन पान में करो कंबाइन, तो अद के लिए इस f is equal to f तो f गो कॉमन, ठीक, ये क्या f वैल्यू mg, ये क्या f वैल्यू g into m into m divided by r square. Value of g निकालने के लिए m and m gets cancelled. अत क्या होते हैं g is equal to g into m divided by r square. These are all constants. G is equal to value of g is constant, that is 6.24 into 10 raised to power minus 11. याद अच्छा तीसरा 6.67, sorry 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Mass of earth is also constant. Mass of earth is 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. The radius of earth one to 6.24 into 10 raised to power 6.4, so 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter, means constant. After calculating, it is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is acceleration unit and meter per second square. वो वैल्यू आप जी कितना कैलकुलेट करना, मैं आपको फिर से ये दोहरा कर समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ कि ये हमने कैसे डिराइव किया, ताकि आप अच्छे से समझें व्हाट इज एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी। पहले आप ये समझिए व्हाट इज एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी। एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इज द अट्रैक्शन ऑफ अर्थ। Acceleration due to gravity means attraction of earth towards the center. In attraction caused by the earth on an object towards the center, उस attraction से जो acceleration किसी object में पैदा होती है, that acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity. That is denoted by g. Suppose an object of mass m is dropped from an height h, ठीक, towards the earth center. The distance, वर्थ करो distance, the distance of the earth and the object, that is radius of the earth, ठीक। इसमें suppose the earth of mass m and radius of earth is mass r, an object of mass m, small m, is dropped from an height h. If we consider this h comparatively very small, अगर ये h किस मीटर में छ, मीटर है को मीटर negligible, comparable कहीं कथ to the radius of the earth, इसलिए हम अगर neglect करें, at that time this acceleration, whole acceleration caused in the object is acceleration due to gravity. And that acceleration due to gravity is, go this force exert, go the force acting on the mass m while falling towards the earth is equal to force से पहले formula mass and acceleration, क्योंकि ये कुछ acceleration है, acceleration due to gravity m into g. मगर ये acceleration due to gravity से accelerate गसान है gravity से, वो इस आप force है actually gravitational force. ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स पानी फार्मूला अलग, ग्रेविटेशन फोर्स आसान बराबर जी शाबाश पता है इनटू मास, ये जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स कर अट्रैक्ट m इनटू m, यहाँ कैपिटल मास m, मास ऑफ अर्थ इनटू मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट डिवाइड बाय रेडियस, यानी डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम, दैट इज r स्क्वायर। यम से कंबाइन करें, अगर कंबाइनिंग दिस फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इक्वेशन we get mg is equal to gmm divided by r square, m and n gets cancelled, as g is equal to g into m into n. G is constant, m is constant, r is constant. By knowing the value of g, m and r square, we get the value of g, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Because value of g is constant, 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 into mass of earth is constant, it is 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kilograms, and radius of earth is 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. These are constant values, and by substituting these values in this equation, we get the value of g, that is 9.8 meters per second square. 9.8 meters per second square. ठीक है? Use your formula that g is equal to, in acceleration due to gravity is equal to g into m divided by r square. This is really earth se pe applicable ke it is applicable on all planets. This is applicable this is applicable on all planets. Agar kahte planets nimon, on every planet gravitational acceleration due to gravity of that planet is equal to g is universal constant in project constant, mass of that planet into radius of that planet divided by radius of that planet. ठीक है, ये दूसरी बात आपको याद रखनी है, that g, the value of g is constant, that the formula that g is equal to g into m divided by r square, where m is the mass of the planet. This is applicable on all planets. तीसरी बात जो आज ही आपको समझनी है, that is earth is not spherical. Earth is not a complete sphere. It is flattened at the poles and is bulges out in the center. है ना? आप देखिए इक्वेटर पे ये चौड़ी है and it is flattened at the poles. Radius of the earth at the center is more as compared to the radius of the earth at the poles. So radius of equator is more than the radius of earth at poles. है कि नहीं? आप मशीन शक ठीक वो अगर वो मास कांस्टेंट मास हिशी मास मशीन चेंज केन रेडियस मशीन चेंज अगर मास कांस्टेंट मतलब टेकिंग मास कांस्टेंट कि चाहे इस इक्वेटर्स पे करूं कंसीडर या पोल पे करूं कंसीडर दुश्मन जेन छना अर्थ मास है वो मास कांस्टेंट but radius is different. Radius is more, RE is more than RP. Radius at equator is more than radius at poles. Therefore, if mass is constant, then G is directly proportional to R square. Inversely proportional to R square. Inversely proportional means yuta radius gets increase, gravitational acceleration due to gravity gets decrease. Yuta radius gets decrease, acceleration due to gravity gets increase. Inversely proportional matlab uti. One is that RE, radius of equator is more than radius at the poles. One is that acceleration due to gravity आशा equator पर ज़्यादा किन poles पर ज़्यादा. अब आप समझिए, because G is inversely proportional to R square. Yuta radius increase gets, acceleration due to gravity gets decrease. Good. Radius का ची increase at equator. Telemano is gravity. When acceleration due to gravity at equator is less. And acceleration due to gravity at equator will be less than the acceleration due to gravity at the poles. तब इसे इस अक्ष चीज़ वचन कि इस सोन चना आना सोन या कौन चीज़ पता होना इसी दिल्ली या नो बे कुछ statements प्लान statements कुछ है पच्चीस वाला जी पे वाला सुग ठीक actually क्या इस rates में difference because of the weight और weight का पर डिपेंड acceleration due to gravity पे acceleration due to gravity चंद ज़मीन इस पे प्राज्य ही शेकिं because ज़मीन is earth is complete spherical in shape कि it is flattened at the poles. Its radius differs. The RE minus RP is equal to 21 kilometers. RE into RP is equal to 21 kilometers. That means the radius of Earth at equator and radius of Earth at poles differ by 21 kilometers. Or here radius differs. Acceleration due to gravity of Earth on any object also differs. Because acceleration due to gravity is inversely proportional to the square of radius. But if the radius gets increased, acceleration due to gravity gets decreased. If the radius gets decreased, acceleration due to gravity gets increased. Equator space is a radius ज़्यादा, at this acceleration due to gravity of Earth come. Pole space radius come, at this acceleration due to gravity of Earth ज़्यादा. ठीक? वो ये दो चीज़ें जिन चीज़ें आज आपको याद रखनी है that acceleration due to gravity क्या गई और acceleration due to gravity उन value किस कन है कोई करे because we know that force acting on an object is equal to mass into acceleration. Here acceleration is due to gravity when it is falling towards the earth, and gravitational force is also, we have also formula for that. It is F into G into M divided by R square, or by combine करने से अच्छी नेरा S value of G, and value of G is बराबर G can make G reference constant into M, mass of earth या mass of planet divided by R square. This value can be used, this formula can be used for calculating the value of G. This formula is universal for all planets, and चूँकि radius of the earth is the same रह जाए इसलिए इस acceleration due to gravity of the earth is the same कहीं या radius of earth is कम तब तक gravity acceleration due to gravity of falling object is ज़्यादा या radius of earth is ज़्यादा तब तक acceleration due to gravity of the earth कम. आप इसको थोड़ा सा घर में याद या समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. अगर समझ में नहीं आता, you can message me. See you again tomorrow. Have a nice day. खुदा हाफिज़.